a very fun game called Please Sit Down. You just bend your knees and let gravity do the rest. Everybody wins except for me because I have to sit the whole time. You're going to sit right there for me, please. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, everybody uses Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter nowadays. I still use MySpace, and this up here is mine. It's actually just the splash zone. It's not a water ride. I just spit a lot. You know. All right, we're going to be getting this boat underwater in just a minute, okay, folks? All right, and we're clear. Everybody pick your favorite hand up. Wave goodbye to those beautiful people on the dock. Wave like you mean it because you're never going to see them again. But you never really saw them before, did you? Oh, well. Now, to ensure your safety and odds of survival, please remain fully seated throughout the entire cruise, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Please refrain from eating, drinking, smoking, vaping, and flash photography while on board. And lastly, parents, I'm going to need you to watch those kids. And now, kids, I'm going to need you to watch those parents, okay? I don't trust them. You never know what they're up to. Now, everybody watch me. Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm going to be your skipper today. I will also be your tour guide, your interpretive dance instructor, your vocal coach, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor too. Okay, wow, everybody, can you do me a huge favor really quickly and look under your seats? You're going to find a sense of humor down there. Go ahead and pull it out. Please use it, okay? It'll make the next 5 exciting days and 10 romantic nights a lot more comfortable for everyone. Now up ahead on your left, we have Inspiration Falls. And a lot of people ask me, Skipper Ashley, now why is it called Inspiration Falls? And the answer is really quite simple. It's because the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungles that I'm in. I don't know what you were thinking, but this is a family ride and we're trying to keep it that way, okay? Now everybody say ooh.
Ooh.
Everybody say ah.
Ah.
I don't know about you, but that sure sounds like inspiration to me, so let's keep going. We're now entering the Congo River, so let's see how far this boat can go with me at the wheel. Based on my last few cruises, it's not going to be too far, though. I did arrange a welcoming party for you with the natives. They told me it would be taking place right over here. Oh no, folks, I am so sorry. It doesn't look like anybody showed up. You know, it reminds me a lot of my 16th birthday party because no one showed up there either. I can't see anybody, can you? I wonder what scared everyone away. What? Oh, snakes! Why did it have to be snakes? Folks, that is a giant python. I do hear that they're friendly creatures as long as they don't develop a crush on you. It can be a really constricting relationship to get yourself wrapped up in. We'll stop by my camp and grab some snake repellent. You guys, come on, I told you I was having visitors over today. My roommates went a little bananas and they made a mess. I told them it's not really appealing when they do that, but you know, I can't really split because they always can fix my car. Yeah, my Jeep will never start for me, but they turn it over. I don't know if they use a monkey wrench or 888, but you know. Now we're in the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world. It spans about 4,000 miles, and if you don't know what that means it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles, and if you don't believe me, then you are in
denial.
Disbelief, actually. Now this little guy right here is an African bull elephant. Does anyone know how I know he's an African elephant?
We're in Africa.
Correct, we are in Africa. You cannot answer my next question. Now this right here is the Great African Belt, home to many different wildlife species. To name a few, we have giraffes, those things that killed Mufasa, gazelles, zebras, and of course Simba's pride. I'm just kidding, folks. But look, this Pride Appliance is protecting that sleeping zebra. Aww. Because, you know, that's exactly how every zebra sleeps, right on its side. Surrounded by lions. With its neck slightly bent. Man, that zebra did sure look dead. Tired. Dead tired. Am I right? Yes, so we're going to let him rest in peace and we'll continue on our journey. Oh, now it's the missing safari party. I haven't seen them in about 3 months. They're really going through their ups and their downs right now. You see that guy on the bottom? His name is a Hontus, and it looks like that rhino's trying to poke a Hontus, and that's not very nice, is it? Now, here's a little life hack for you if you ever find yourself in a similar situation. Just know you don't need to outrun the rhino. No, you don't. You just need to outrun the person next to you. Now, I do have just a quick little survey by a show of hands. Is there anyone on board this boat that believes the captain should go down with its ship should it sink? What's your name, ma'am? Linda. Linda, you're going to be my new captain. Thank you so much for volunteering. Now, Linda, do you know why I'm called a skipper, not a captain? I skip out at the first sign of danger, so I'm not allowed to have that promotion. Now, everyone, let's do a little boat orientation. Just quickly, everybody look up. This is the top of the boat, and now look down. This is the bottom of the boat. If those two things ever switch, please swim. Or let me know. I'll throw you bar soap to help you wash ashore, okay? Now, this right here is the first plane I ever flew. It is also the last plane I ever flew. You want to know what the hardest part about flying a plane is? It's the ground. Yeah, it's the ground. Oh wow, hippos. Now folks, these creatures, oh no, oh no, oh no. They're charging the boat. Don't worry, I can scare them away. I got this, I got this. I love you, I'm ready for commitment. That is the same way I scared away my last boyfriend. Yeah, it worked for him and it looks like it worked for the hippos. I'm glad you all thought it was amusing. I didn't really think so, but oh well. We're now entering headhunter territory, and I can assure you folks it's a truly terrible place that you don't ever want to be headed. And if you don't believe me, you can ask my last crew right there, though they were a bunch of boneheads. Now, whenever the natives drum this song, it usually means one of two things. Either they're about to attack or they've lost their key to the bedroom again, and that's really going to stink later. Come on, guys, really, every time I'm trying to give a tour here, you're so rude, really. I am so sorry, but please don't pay any attention to them. They practice their Shakespeare at the worst times lately. Yes to throw or not to throw is their favorite question. We're now approaching the 8th wonder of the world. People come from all across the globe to see it. It is the wonderful and the beautiful and the magnificent
Backside of water.
Everybody say ooh.
Ooh.
Everybody say ah.
Ah.
You know, folks, we skippers like to call the backside of water O2H. If you like that chemistry joke, I have a few about oxygen and potassium, but they're just okay. I only say them periodically because they don't usually get a reaction. We're now on the Mekong River. It's the final river of our journey, located deep in the heart of Cambodia. You know, this temple looks like it's seen some better days. Should we go inside? We might find some buried treasure, maybe a dead end. I'm not really sure. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Now, Captain Linda, you keep your eyes open, all right? Because I'm going to keep my eyes closed. If you're not here. That's so much better than my last boat. Okay, we're now in a sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Does anyone know how I know that these are Indian elephants? Actually, we're in Cambodia. Can you pay attention? That would be wonderful. Now, please take as many pictures of the elephants as you would like. They did put their trunks on this morning. You know, whenever the elephants come up like this, it usually means that they're going to spray you with something. A lot of people think it's going to be water, but I can promise you it's not. Yes, they always come up twice, and the second time is worse than the first. So everybody, you might want to duck, goose. You fell for it. Actually, you ducked for it. Now, in case you folks hadn't yet realized, the further into the jungle we got, the worse my jokes became, and the less you laugh, but you weren't really laughing before, so not a whole lot changed there. Now, this dashing gentleman up ahead on the left, his name is Trader Sam. He's the head salesman of the jungle, and his sales, well, they've been shrinking lately because his business is really cutthroat. But he always has deals that are head and shoulders above his competitors. Right now, it is a 2-for-1 special, 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. No matter how you slice it or dice it, you will always come out ahead. You know, I recently had dinner with Trader Sam at his house. I said, Sam, you know your wife, she makes a wonderful stew. And he said, I know, I'm really going to miss her. I'm so sorry if you don't like my cannibal jokes. Some people think they're in poor taste. Just take them with a grain of salt.